All good?
Yeah.
It's on my bag. It's on my bag now.
Oh, this is too easy. Easier than I thought. Maybe because...
Can't see.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just trying to get Vinny. Oh, watch this cone. I know you can't see it.
Yeah, I'm like, what cone? I was using the tree.
Watch.
Good stuff for you, Joe? I made it. Hey, you hit the cone. Oh,
you hit the cone.
damn. I fucking got startled and I hit the cone. Gotta do it all over again now. The red power wagon startled me and I fucking whipped my throttle and fucking drove into the cone.
So you want to get this tire up here.
Then let it pull you over. Yeah, now it's gonna pull you over. You got it.
Oh, nice.
You see? Oh my God.
Always go slow. When you got a little weight, you got to give it a boost up to keep it going.
Yeah. Okay, this gate's burned.
Hey, he burned it. You dug a hole, you sabotaged it.
Go out to your driver. You gotta back up. One second, I'll take it. I don't think you're in the sneak room.
Is that the RC four-wheel drive truck?
You got it, you got it, you got it.
What are you doing?
Everybody's all up my doors over here. Got everybody on top of me.
The truck is too big. Taking the whole freaking room, the whole area.
Oh, you got so close.
Are we driving out through here or what are we doing?
Whatever, as long as you go through the cone.
That's it, pick it up.
Well, I mean, I did the line, but I thought we were going to drive out.
Well, I drove out and up and around.
Yeah, I'm stuck on my bumper. Drone like fucking dug the ground out here now.
Come
you can't
on.
get through. Now you got a big snap. Fucking ripped the whole ground out of here.
Who ripped the ground down?
You! You did the same thing I did. Your bumper's in. You can get out. I thought we were turning coming out through here.
Come on, you know the line.
Well, that would have been harder to turn and come out through here, you don't think?
How many times did we do this?
Yeah, but we always go up through here. So
Nice. Yeah. Perfect. Nicely done.
Thank you.
Spacho?
Spacho?
Yeah, we got to stay close together because I don't have too much battery.
Nice. Nice. Look at it.
I can see my head's over. Step around. I'm falling down the fucking cliff.
Oh, you gotta go easy. It's too fast.
Oh, it just fell off the fucking thing. You didn't get a high-speed film?
No, dude, you flew down that gate. Mine's if your truck would have slid a little bit and hit a cone.
Bless you, Robert. Alright, you go. Alright.
thing doesn't have much battery life.
Oh, there's something around.
Yeah.
If you didn't charge last night, is it out?
No, if we have to, if we don't stay close together, I'm just gonna like cut the video.
I gotcha.
Cause that,
Yeah.
cause again, this thing eats up battery quick.
gotta work